Say hi. Say hi. No one ever says hi in my vlog.
Vlog tayo.
Say
Okay.
hi.
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 Airport. 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 Airport.
Papakita na, di ba?
So there's the airport right there, and we're just about to enter it. And we'll see you when we enter. 1, 2, 3.
Bali.
Oh. I was gonna snap so that you know, like when people snap and they're in the place already. 1, 2.
Dapat tatalon.
Yeah. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Guys, we're in the airport. We're just about to check in.
We made it inside.
Yeah, we're just waiting in line to check in and drop our bags. We'll check back on you when we're
Waiting.
yeah, when we're waiting. So we just finished immigration and now we're gonna do the final
Vroom vroom.
X-ray check. I'm in my mom's car. Vroom vroom.
Get out, Mika. No.
So guys, this is Andy. We have a channel. It's gonna be linked down below.
Haha, yeah.
And we never post videos in it. There's one
But you
video. This is Andrea. And this is Kylie Jenner. I'm kidding, that's Fiona. And that's Alex. She's kind of shy. Alex isn't allowed in this airport because she's a stunning device. Alex, where are we going? Bali.
I just want to skr.
So we're here at Starbucks.
That's insane.
So we're here at Starbucks right now.
They don't have any almond milk.
They don't have any almond milk, and I'm vegan, so I just got water.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you're liking this vlog, if you're liking this vlog so far, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And follow us on all our social media. It's in the description.
Or down below.
In the description. I love being vegan.
Hello, so it's a clash of nationalities.
Yeah, we got Australian over here.
And I'm a Brit, of course.
Then we got a Cali.
What the fuck is going on?
Yeah, so we're just walking to our gate.
Clash of nationalities.
This is the UN here.
The UN. UN. We're actually leaving from Bali because that's where Miss Universe is going to be. We have a Japanese.
We've got a Japanese here.
We have Singapore.
And we have Singaporean. We made it to our gate and we're just gonna eat lunch.
Yeah. Lunchy. Pick your poison.
Actually, this is kind of like lunch to dinner.
It's a dinner.
So Alex is about to tell me a knock joke. Okay.
It's not knock.
Oh, he's about to tell me a joke.
How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh?
10 tickles.
What did the baby corn call their dad?
Popcorn.
Oh my god. Oh, no, this one was a gold between me and Folly. How do you make a sheep breathe?
How do you make a sheep breathe?
Sheepier. How do you make a moth breathe?
Moth to moth. Think of better ones.
What's a cycle that has 2 genders? A bicycle. I just made that down. What did the too close up? What did the bicycle say when it was exhausted?
What?
I'm too tired.
Guys, oh my god, I'm fangirling so hard. Look who's in the same flight as us.
When your legs don't work like they used to.
lots
So
of
this is actually part of my bucket list. I've always wanted to ride a plane with a celebrity.
Now you're ready to that. Oh my god, excuse me, are you Kylie Jenner? So they're playing rock, paper, scissors. And then the loser gets hit in the head with a water bottle.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Bato, pick. Hoy! 1, 2, 3. Jack and hoy. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
What? I'm just vlogging.
When
I finish playing, I'm gonna tell you something. Later. Andrea didn't know that I was the one hitting her head with a bottle. It smells like a plane.
Magulat ka ko hindi.
We're waiting for the hot guy to enter the plane. So I got hungry and I wanted I wanted to order some beef tapa and they didn't have any. So I decided to get the onigiri. This is my first time ever trying onigiri. Let's see how it goes. So here it is, my first onigiri.
Here's my first Oreo. I'll try it first.
Good.
Dude, you know your head shakes when you bite on Oreo. What? Your head shakes. It was Ang tigas kasi. Like kanina pa. Especially when like
He goes.
to be adventurous. Okay, now you reach the raw part.
Sorry, it's raw.
No, it's not raw. It's not raw. I think this one's grilled. You want cream? Yeah. Sirain.
One more.
I think they blacklisted you. What did you want money?
So the theory is, Andrea ordered 3 onigiris already.
2.
2. No,
I did
Alex.
2, then siya 2 also.
But who ordered for Alex?
Me. So
Okay.
parang siguro.
So the thing is, Andrea ordered 4 onigiris for her and Alex. So they both got 2 each. But then they overheard the flight attendant saying only 4 onigiris per person. So we're gonna test it out. Andrea's gonna pretend to sleep. And I'm gonna order an onigiri. And then if they give it to me, her theory is proven.
They hate me.
She's been blacklisted.
Look at the fog.
You can't even see it.
If you're so tanga, no, you can use the tissue, then you make a tissue plate.
So guys, we're gonna be testing out the theory. If they blacklisted Andrea or not. Dude, it's your boo.
Sorry.
Okay, do we go?
Okay, go.
I'm
We're gonna
scared.
cry.
Oh, never mind. It's turbulence. We'll do it later. Oh, you rough back.
Brave that guy.
You know the Mr. Bean episode where he was holding the toy plane and goes "Rrrr," and then all of a sudden the plane also goes we hit turbulence. We're the worst group of people to ever sit within a plane. So I asked if they had onigiri and they really don't. So Andrea isn't blacklisted. She just thought she was. Guys, say hi.
Say hi to my vlog.
Guys, mag-hi naman kayo. I love plane rides.
I'm medyo claustrophobic. I'm medyo.
Did you just snort? Yeah. Again.
Okay.
No, my favorite one is the...
What?
Oh my god! She did it! Oh, I can't do it. Oh, okay.
Okay, let's rate the landing.
Let's rate the land.
Okay. 1.
Wala pa.
3, 2, 1.
Go. 3. Oh!
I like it.
We bumped our heads.
We look stupid.
We are stupid.
An 8.5.
Yeah, I give it an 8 as well. I approve of this Yelp review. Go.
AirAsia.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed.
Thank you so much. Oh, shout out to AirAsia for sponsoring this vlog. You guys are the best. They're actually not sponsoring me, but please sponsor
Very
me.
pleased to for your safety, please remain seated, and the use of mobile phone is not allowed until
Kiss the ground. Okay, so there's this myth that if you kiss the ground when you go to another country, you're gonna go back. So we're on the way to our Airbnb. Guess where we're having dinner? McDonald's. McD.
Not the normal bros.
Hey guys! We're here at our Airbnb having some dinner. It's McDonald's.
Beses ko na ba nag-find mo? Take the... Hey guys, we arrived.
So that's it. Bye. That's it.
See you tomorrow.
I don't want Hello, Sammy and Andie channel. Follow me.
You can see me anywhere you go. But in the morning, I freaking love this song.
We hit terminus!